You don't need to be rich to start investing. In fact, you can start with as little as $10. I know investing sounds intimidating, like it's only for people in suits staring at stock charts. It's not. Today, I'll show you exactly how a complete beginner can start, safely and simply. Welcome to Money Made Simple. Investing just means putting your money to work. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. When you buy a bond, you're basically lending money and getting paid back over time. That's it. No magic, no secret formula. Here's why this matters. Money sitting in a regular savings account barely grows, but invested money can grow over time, especially when you give it years, not days. Small, consistent amounts can turn into something much bigger down the road. This is the power of long-term growth. So how do you actually start? First, start small. Even $10 to $20 a month is enough to begin. Second, use beginner-friendly apps. If you want to invest the halal way, apps like Wahed or Zoya are built specifically for that. Third, focus on Halal ETFs. These are bundles of companies that screen out gambling, alcohol, and interest-based businesses, so your money stays aligned with your values. Fourth, be consistent. Invest a little regularly instead of trying to guess the perfect time. Nobody, not even experts, can reliably time the market. One important thing, investing goes up and down. Some months you'll see growth, some months you won't. That's normal. Don't panic and don't check it every day. Think long term. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Quick note, this video is educational, not personal financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Your challenge? Start with just $10 this month and see how it feels to actually own a piece of something. Subscribe to Money Made Simple for more beginner-friendly money tips.